So welcome to the third video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get the post data using the meta compare. Okay, so earlier in the previous video we learned how to display the post data with the order of ascending, descending, and by its meta value. So we're going to add two more properties and values over here, which is meta compare and meta value. And if you go to the site that we discussed earlier, it says meta key, meta value, and you put the value, and meta compare. So this is the one that we're talking about. We're going to use meta compare, and we can use the possible operators like not equal to, greater than equal to, and so on. Okay, and then we use the meta value as well. All right, so we're saying that compare the post which has the meta value equal to 2. Okay, so if you remember, we go to posts, we go to our first post, hello world. So we put meta value of order as 2, right? So this is saying that get me the post which has got the meta value of the meta key order equal to 2. Okay, get me that post title. Okay, so if you refresh it, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get the post title, which has got the meta key of order and meta value of equal to 2, because we're using equal sign operator. If we use greater than sign operator, then we are saying that get me the post title of the meta key order, which has got a value, a meta value, which is greater than 2. So if you check, we have this post and this post which is greater than 2, so we should get these two posts. And if you go down, you can see that the order number is 4, which is greater than 2, and for this one as well, it is greater than 2. Okay, similarly you can do not equal to as well, and different types of combination you can try. So get me all the post title which with the meta key as order and meta value which is not equal to 4. So let's see what we get. So earlier we're getting this, but this time we shouldn't get that. Yep, great, cool. So there are a few more things we can do. For example, we can add more fields over here, custom fields. Okay, and this time in the post itself we can add a new field as name. Okay, we add that as name, and field name is name, and field type is text. And update this. Okay, and then we go to our posts, to the same posts, hello world. Now we've got a new field name. So let's say we put this as Sam. We update that. And to the next one we do that as John, and we update that. And we also obviously put John over here so that when the result comes in, then we can see that this is what we were talking about. Yeah. All right, the third one, put this as wiki. I'll put this as wiki over here, update it, and then we go back to the first post we created as well, and just, okay, why is it not showing? Okay, got it. All right, and this was our Sam. We put Sam over here. Okay, so what we're doing over here is that we created another custom field besides order. This is called name. We put the values inside them, and now we're going to sort and compare, and we're going to display the post with the meta key as name and meta value as John. And we're saying that get me the post title, which has got name is equal to, all the post titles got name is equal to John. Yeah, so meta key should be name and meta value should be John. So get me all those ones. I think it should be there into our, so you can see the name also created over here into our database in WP Post Meta. So let's refresh it. And guess right, we've got the post title, which has got the meta key as name and meta value as John. Yep, great. Similarly, we can also say that get me all the post which has got meta key name and meta value which is not equal to John. So get me all the other posts which is not John. Let's see if that works. Brilliant, we've got the other two. Okay, so I hope that's clear how to compare with the meta value when it's number and when the meta value is text as well. So you've got that. All right, so let's see, we're going to talk more about this in the next video with different topic. Thank you.